This exhibition is called Nature Morte, Contemporary Artists Reinvigorate the Still Life Tradition, and it comes from a book that I wrote recently. I saw that there were a lot of artists across the world who were using the metaphor of the nature morte, but in a contemporary way.
Postanowiliśmy ten temat poruszyć, pokazać, że on jest cały czas obecny. Możemy zaobserwować ciągły dialog między tradycją a sztuką tą zupełnie współczesną.
The artist might not always be seen as working directly with the idea of nature morte, but when you look closer at the work, you realize they actually are questioning today's idea of our lives and our mortality.
The viewer of these classical works, they would have understood the metaphor of all of those bits of things within the paintings, but it has been lost to the contemporary artist and also to the contemporary public who don't understand those metaphors. And so in a lot of ways what we're trying to do as well is to give them that information back, so that when they see it first in the classical works, they understand that, but then how they can see also how it might be being used and taken forward by the contemporary artists.
Wystawa powtarza 5 rozdziałów z książki Michaela i jest to kolejno jedzenie, przedmioty, przestrzeń domowa, fauna, flora oraz vanitas, czyli temat poświęcony śmierci i przemijaniu.
So we have about 70 artists that have been traveling throughout the exhibition, and then at each museum we work with the museum's curator to include artists from that country and also from the collection.